No, there's no en-suite bathroom in my room, unfortunately. But whatever, it's a place to stay until I return to Canada. I just arrived in Rome. It was nice to get out of my shirt, which I spilled shampoo out of my backpack, and the shampoo got all over the straps and all over my shirt. I tried to wipe it off. It looks like I had yogurt all over me. Got some on my trousers as well. But whatever. And it's very, very hot out. I was planning on exploring, but I'll wait a few hours. Rome Termini is just in this direction here, about 15-minute walk, so it's nice. I didn't have to walk far to get to my accommodation here. And like with many places in Italy, at least every single place in Italy that I've been to, all the areas around train stations are all ghetto. So I did have to walk through the ghetto to get here. Looks like a decent area though. Some restaurants and whatever close by. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat in a little while. Just gonna start to get settled in. The train ride here from Florence was quick. It was just about an hour. But yeah, I'm here in Rome until until Tuesday morning, and it is Friday, just afternoon. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. I'm going to try to catch some churches while I'm here. At least I'd like to be able to go and see all 4 major papal basilicas while I'm here in Rome. I already went to St. Peter's and I went to St. Paul's outside the walls. So I have 2 more to go to. And then I'd say that my adventure here in Rome is complete, at least the most important things. Okay. Onward to the next adventure.